Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma says 35,000 students will receive MTAB's PC tablet. Assam government to observe zero tolerance to drugs and economic offenders. Maumlo Chera Cement Limited workers urge Meghalaya government to release their pending salary. And Mintidu Binthorning Farmers Welfare and Producers Organization distributes high-yielding variety paddy seeds CAU R1 variety to the farmers of Right Mukla in West Jangkar Hills. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today said that around 35,000 students will receive MTAB's PC tablet, a program that aims to empower high secondary students with digital learning aid. Speaking to students from different schools of East Khasi Hills at Ususotham Auditorium in Shillong, the Chief Minister said that the government is aware of the importance of digital learning and has made its endeavour to reach out to the students.
Through the battery and the solar panels, even if rural schools would not have electricity, they would still be able to access the computer and learn a lot of stuff. And so these smart classrooms were being installed in many schools. There's no discipline, then there's no question of moving forward. It's not just a student, it's even we as Chief Minister or Minister. So discipline, hard work, ensuring that you're focused in what you do, ensuring that you have the right positive mindset, these are the qualities that ultimately matter. And technology will only help you enhance those things.
In Meghalaya, 578 trainee officers in the rank of sub-inspectors of police, including 178 lady trainee officers belonging to Assam Police, today pass out from North-Eastern Police Academy on successful completion of 50th batch of basic course, the largest ever batch in the history of Nepal since its inception in the year 1978. The Diction Parade, Passing Out Parade was held at the parade ground of the Academy campus at Umsao Village, Ribhoi District, Meghalaya. The Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, reviewed the parade and commissioned these officers into acting policing. Deepak Kumar, IPS Director, Nepal, administered oath to the trainees. Bhaskar Jyoti Mahanta, IPS, the DJP Assam, blessed and congratulated the trainees. A large number of high-ranking officials from Assam and Meghalaya, special invitees relative of trainee officers and staff of Nepal witnessed the spectacular parade displayed by the trainee officers. Cadet Sub-Inspector Baharul Islam, who commanded the parade, was awarded with the Governor of Meghalaya Sword of Honour and Nepal Silver Medal for being the all-round best cadet. Cadet Sub-Inspector Noor Neha Begum was awarded with the Chief Minister Meghalaya Baton of Honour and Nepal Silver Medal for being Best Cadet in Indo subjects, while Cadet Sub-Inspector Biplab Gohend received the Chief Minister Arunachal Pradesh Baton of Honour and Nepal Silver Medal for being the Best Cadet in Outdoor subjects. The B.R. Lal Academy Trophy and Nepal Silver Medal for exemplary conduct was backed by Cadet Sub-Inspector Mitrunjoy Singha. Speaking on the occasion, Himanta Biswa Sharma said the government of Assam will not allow militancy to thrive in the state. He also said that his government will observe zero tolerance to drugs and economic offenders responsible affecting the economic growth of the state will be punished accordingly.
কালৰ এটা দুৰ্ঘটনাত তেখেতৰ দুৰ্ভাগ্যবশত আমাৰ মাজৰ পৰা তেখেত আঁতৰি গ'ল। মই তেখেতৰ আত্মাৰ চিৰ শান্তি কামনা কৰিছোঁ। ইউনিফৰ্ম পৰিহিত সেৱাৰ সৈতে জড়িত প্ৰতিগৰাকী ব্যক্তিৰ জীৱনৰ পাছিং আউট পেৰেড নিতান্তই এক গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ অনুষ্ঠান। এই আপোনালোকৰ জীৱনৰ গৌৰৱ আৰু প্ৰাপ্তিৰ মুহূৰ্ত আৰু আজীৱন এই মুহূৰ্তটো আপোনালোকৰ মনত সজীৱ হৈ থাকিব।
The workers of the state-owned cement plant under the banner of Maumlo Chera Cement Employees Union today urged the Meghalaya government to clear all their pending salary. These workers said it will be a big relief to the workers if the state government releases their salary. Speaking to the media, the president of the union, Pinskem Lingdo, said,
Di halor kani ngakwa ban biang saisian ba ngihap ban sim biang kedir mai dan nomor pidi musutu ba ni kila keren kila ai tak positif si kanal dari ka ba jinjat wa kham sitom pa kalong ba ka time frame kom dan bakin pendam ini musutu ba kanak slam ka por kanak ta i paranok trei ka ta i ka than kunju nomor kam dei tang yangi ki permangi ba train thi casual trainees kidan bat kibai du kiba im janak thi ti ka kanak slam kanak ta kata ko ba yangi ni kloi ba ladak in explore no ikani possibility yakani ka BRS di halor ka kani ka phang bangila kren pat
Minturu Pinthornin Farmers Welfare and Producers Organization today distributed the high-yielding variety paddy seeds CAUR1 to the farmers of Rajmukla in West Jaintia Hills. The farmers who have used the high-yielding variety paddy seeds CAUR1 since 2019 were the villagers of Mujemp, Mintkor of Rajmukla and found that its yield is much better than the other variety of paddy seeds. Speaking at the program for distribution of these paddy seeds, the advisor of this organization informed that this variety of paddy seeds was brought from Ribhoi district of Meghalaya. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.